Welcome back. In this video we will be creating a menu layout. Let's start by creating a menu resource file. Click on Project, App, Res, and then right-click on Menu Directory and click on Menu Resource File. This file defines a menu element with 3 item elements, each representing a menu item on the action bar. Each item element has the following attributes. Android ID. This attribute assigns a unique identifier to the menu item, which is used to reference it in the Java code. Android title. This text of the menu item, which is displayed on the action bar or in the overflow menu. The value of this attribute can be a string literal or a string resource reference. OnCreate. This method is called when the activity is first created. It sets the content view of the activity to the layout resource file activity_main.xml, which defines the user interface of your main screen. OnCreate Options Menu. This method is called when the options menu is first created. It inflates the menu resource file main_menu.xml, which defines the menu items and their attributes, and returns true to display the menu on the action bar. On Options Item Selected, this method is called when a menu item is selected. It handles the menu item selection by using a switch statement that checks the item ID and performs the appropriate actions, such as displaying a toast message. It returns true if the item selection is handled or calls the superclass method otherwise.